3, 2, 1, level up.
Guys, it's your girl Doniyah Johnson. I'm back with another vlog for you. So today, me and my mom are about to go sifting in a community that burned down in the Woolsey fire. So, disclaimer, if you are sensitive or get sad like I do really fast, then I would say to not watch it or watch clips of it. So yeah, this makes guys are probably also looking at me like, why do I look this crazy? But they told us to wear hats, long sleeve shirt, and then jeans and boots. And these boots are already messed up, my Uggs, so I can wear these because of how it's gonna look and the smell and stuff. So
Everything you know is in your mind.
Yeah.
yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting because if you look at that.
You need help?
Oh yeah. No, I just got stuck in the thing. Here we go.
Thank you very much for being here. We're waiting for everyone to gather up. Here's one of those maps. You have one, Justin? Yeah. Y'all not gonna be able to see what we did here, but I want to kind of orient and let everyone know what happened this morning.
You'll be looking at the remnants of a sink, and you may not recognize it. It may be just the drain, and you're like, ah, there's the sink. So I moved 2 feet left, and then I found a set of drawer glides, and between the drawer glides is the drawer, right? And so this place is a minefield of dangers, okay? The ash is going to be all over the place, so we want to minimize the dust.
We're about to leave because I feel lightheaded. Ooh, it smells really bad. So, how you feel?
Tired.
My one's so extra.
I'm so tired.
Whew.
I'm tired, y'all.
Also, we're done with the sifting. I'm like really tired. My head is light. I need some water, some fruit, some everything. Like, I'm just so lightheaded. Like, the sun was beaming on me. The stuff was getting in my eye. Like, it was okay though. It was really sad seeing all those houses like just be burned down, and then seeing other houses still standing. It's like, wow. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching so much. I literally forgot to do an ending. I came home and went right to sleep, and now my nose is really congested. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.